She says nowadays, Huzur, there are two types of opinions in the society prevailing about Islam. Some say no, Islam doesn't have any relation with terrorism. Islam has got nothing to do with terrorism. Some say no, it has. Otherwise, why only in Islam there are so many terrorists? So what will be?
No, this is all wrong. A false allegation spread by the Christians. Presently, there are more terrorists among the Muslims because of their misguided concept of Islam. They think that people against Islam are trying to crush the Muslims in whatever manner they can. So, as a result, they are very angry and they retort in the sense that they are not taking the first measure, but they are only defending themselves against a measure taken against them. So this is a misconcept, of course, but that is the only reason. It is not because of true Islam. Islam doesn't teach terrorism in any sense of the word.